Hello, this is Bo Kauffmann of Remax in Winnipeg with your real estate news for Friday, April 14th, 2023. Today is National Gardening Day, National Pecan Day, and National Ex-Spouse Day. Who celebrates that? Yesterday, we opened up the Winnipeg Regional Real Estate Board Market Report, that's a mouthful, for March 2023, and saw that listings were up, sales were down, and prices of detached homes were down 12%. Today, let's look at attached homes and condos. First, attached homes, which are also called side-by-sides or townhouse-style buildings. Here, available listings are more than double the number last year, up 132%, while sales are down around 31%. Prices have dropped around 6% from an average of $349,000 to a little over $328,000. Should be noted that builders love to build these townhouse-style homes because they are very cost-effective. The property size is smaller and thus cheaper, and these 2, 3, and 4-piece units are cheaper to construct. Next, condominiums are in a similar boat. Numbers of available listings are up, although not by as much as attached homes. Listings are up 35% and sales are down by that same 35%. Prices are also down 6% over last year from an average $260,000 to just $245,000. Now, condos do offer a great way to get into homeownership at a lower cost. However, before you decide to buy a brand new construction condo, listen to my next episode as I will share a couple of thoughts on this topic. You are not going to want to miss this, so please listen before you make that type of decision. Thinking of buying? Call me right now to set up a home buyer consultation, either in person or via Zoom, 204-333-2202. Did you know that Winnipeg's Real Estate Podcast is available as an app for your iOS or Android phone? Also, you can add us to your Alexa daily routine. All that is simple by going to bonos.homes/apps. bonos.homes/apps. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.